Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing. This is another Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck from, I think it's 2002 or 2003, I'm not really sure, but here it is. That is right, guys, I finally got Surf Monster. This is the small hub variation, I was originally planning on getting the big hub variation first, but it's too expensive on eBay, and the small hubs one is actually a lot cheaper. So hopefully I could find the big hubs version at a flea market. So yeah. So for now I got the small hubs variation of Surf Monster, and that's a pretty good start. And yeah, here's the back of the packaging. Here are the other trucks. Hot Wheels I have. Gravedigger I have. Backdraft I'm still missing. Power Forward I have. I made an unboxing video of Power Forward, so if you want to see that, go check it out. I have Blue Thunder. Tough Enough I still need. Bounty Hunter I still need. Masters of the Universe I have. Jurassic Attack I need. The Hulk I already have. Spider-Man I don't have. I have Wolverine. But there's two different variations. Like there's one with a short grill. I believe that's the short grill variation. So I have the one with the full grill. I still need the one with the short grill. I used to have Dragon Slayer, but I lost it, so I need to replace that truck at some point. I do have the Crash version of Maniac, but I need the standard version, the small hubs. I'll get that at some point. I don't know if that's a prototype color scheme, but I've never seen a Wild Hair with that blue color scheme before. But I do have a Small Hubs Wild Hair. I believe that's just a render. I have Team Ments, and I still need Prowler. Yeah, so those are the trucks on the back of the packaging. So without further ado, let's unbox Surf Monster. Wow, this one is really light. Let's check it out on the turntable. Wow, this thing is awesome, and this is my second truck that has the what is it, like this kind of style of a school bus body. Like the first truck that I had that had this exact body style was Driving School, which I do have, Driving School was the only truck with this kind of school bus body to have a plastic base. The rest of the trucks that had this kind of body style, were all metal base. So Driving School was kind of unique to be the first truck with this body style with a plastic base. So yeah, so let's check out Surf Monster. So it's got gray hubs, metal base of course. It's like a aqua green blue color. It says Surf Monster on the side with the Hot Wheels and Monster Jam logo, and then some kind of sponsor. You got the windows there. On the tailgate you got 3 windows, and then you got a sponsor. I recognize that sponsor, but I can't read the name because it's so small, but that this is owned by, this is a ride truck, and in real life this is a ride truck, but in diecast form they designed it to make it look like a race truck. So this is owned in real life. This is owned by the guy who drives Cyborg and Tough Enough and the Beast. So, yeah, this is owned by that monster truck team. So yeah, very cool. And same graphics on this side. I really love that wave decal. That's awesome. Nothing on the grill, but it's actually smooth. They changed it to a 3D texture when they made Driving School, so that's interesting. On the roof, it's a white roof, but it's got some surfboards that you can feel. You can take them off, but I'm not gonna mess with them because I don't want to lose them. So yeah, this is the white surfboard variation. There's also a pink surfboard variation in the small hubs line, but I really don't care about variations from the small hubs line, so yeah. So on the top it says Surf Monster on the orange surfboard, Hot Wheels on the yellow surfboard, and Surf Monster again on the blue surfboard. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Surf Monster Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck. This will make its debut in Sign Up Series number 27. For Sign Up Series number 27, I plan on doing another Small Hubs Edition event, or Sign Up Series event. So yeah, once again, all my Small Hub trucks will compete. And yeah, once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.